Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Dr. Sexy-Ann here, coming to you, and I'm going to talk to you about threesomes. Now, I got a question tonight with someone who wants to know what are some of the things that they need to think about when they want to explore a threesome with their partner. Now, the first thing is, before you even get started, you need to have a discussion. You need to talk to each other and figure out what are your limits, what are some things that you're okay with, what are some things you're not okay with. Just be very clear as to what it is that you want during this threesome. Now, after you have that conversation, you definitely need to set the rules. Now, for some people, they're like, listen, you can do whatever with this person, but you cannot do, you decide. So decide on the rules. So let the third person know that, listen, this is just sex. Is nothing going on. We're not trying to invite you into our relationship permanently. It's just a matter of we are going to get our groove on for this period of time, and you are the third person invited, and these are the rules. So you can set the rules to decide exactly how you want them to be. You can say, okay, no kissing with the other person. You can say, all right, well, anything goes. It's all up to you how far you want to take it and how much you want to have this third person participate. The next thing that you need to do is to keep busy. Always just make sure you have something to do. While it's going on, don't sit and wait for somebody to come to you and pleasure you. Get busy. Touch something, caress something, kiss something. Whatever it is, keep yourself busy. The next thing you need to do inside of that threesome is be as giving as you can. Give as much pleasure as you can, because if all three of you are concerned with giving, then all three of you will receive some pleasure. The other thing that you need to do is to be safe. Now, when I talk about be safe, this is something that is a part of your conversation, because you need to find out what this person's health is like. If it is that you all need to do tests to keep everything on the table, everything straight up, I would definitely recommend that, because if you decide not to use condoms or to use condoms, the more you know about this person's health, the better it is. So you can all go get tested together. And listen, this might be an uncomfortable part of the conversation, but it is necessary. You don't want after this threesome to end up with STD that you're gonna have to take some antibiotics or something like herpes that's gonna stick with you for a minute. So definitely check out the person's health. Make sure that they're okay. You're okay, everybody's okay, and you get your threesome on. And just a word of caution, I know threesomes is something that really is a great fantasy for a lot of men, but gentlemen, listen to me when I tell you this. If your foreplay game isn't where it's supposed to be, do not introduce your woman to another woman, because that other woman is going to introduce some stuff to your woman that you did not, and she's going to make her feel some way that you did not make her feel. And I don't know if that's the way you want to do this thing. I'm just saying, word of caution, decide what you want to do about it. But let me just repeat, if your foreplay game is not where it should be, your woman is not who you want to introduce to another woman. Definitely pay attention to that. In the meantime, guys, send me your questions, drsexylive@gmail.com. And of course, you can follow me on social media, Dr. Sexy-Ann, at Facebook, Instagram, and certainly on Twitter. Until next time, when you're doing your threesome, set the rules, communicate, and have fun. Later, guys.